In certain situations, the best implant prosthesis can be what we call a snap-in denture. Let's say you've lost your teeth a long time ago, and over time your gum and bone has shrunk. Well, we got to build your gum and bone back out a little bit so your lip doesn't sink in, and that's when we really like a snap-in denture, because it can have the pink gums attached to the teeth that kind of support your lip. It gives you that little bit of a mouth filler that you need, it's basically a denture, but it doesn't cover the whole roof of your mouth. It snaps in, it's stabilized by these implants, so it actually snaps into the implants. What my patients don't necessarily like about a snap-in denture is that it's a bit bulky, and it is a resin material, so it's still the same material as a regular denture. That's the only downside to it. It clicks in really, really well. It stays in really, really tight. It is a bit of a mouthful, and because of that, we've developed other processes where we have sleeker materials and smaller restorations that click into implants. That will be something to look into, but we make a ton of snap-in dentures here, and my patients are really, really happy with it. It's many, many, many times better than a regular denture because you can chew so much better. It doesn't wobble, and it doesn't cover up nearly as much as your mouth. It's another one of those things where if you're out there with a denture and you feel like you'd like to improve how you chew and how you function and smile, give us a call. You'd be surprised what's doable in that situation.